Hello guys, this is GT Goenka Public School where this art and craft exhibition has been organized. From here you will have a journey, nice journey to this art and craft exhibition. This is Goenkan Art Craft Exhibition. The young children of this school has created this marvelous and this creative art and craft exhibition. You can see over here the children are coming and the people who are in this program they are also here. This is GD Goenka Public School, Motihari. Infrastructure of this school is very nice. It is best school. And here you can see the way this art and craft exhibition has been decorated. You will see and you will experience it very well. And this two-person Aditya sir is admin staff, and this PRO sir also admin staff here. They are doing their work. Is Ajay sir. Here you will see they are staff and some are children who have come. This ma'am also. Here you can see Anju ma'am. She is English faculty over here, and here ma'am, and here Manisha ma'am. And this is Bamboo Art and Craft exhibition created by our children. You can see over here. This is showing the tribal art and craft. One child is here. Faculties of this school, they are supporting the children. They are decorating, and this is art, and this is also another kind of art. And here they are faculties, and Vishal sir is here, ma'am is here. You can see, and here Swaraj sir, he is the head of this performing arts department. Very good, very talented sir. Sushant, and this is Sonu sir. So everyone has a contribution in this exhibition. Art and craft which have been created by our children. They have shown their creativities. These are their creative minds. You can see over here. And ma'am is from English department, Nuri ma'am. And this is Pragati ma'am from science department. Hello. Hi. You can see here. He is from lab department, and she is Richa Raj, very hardworking and very intelligent student of class 9. She has put immense efforts in creating all these things. This is another art, and sir is English department head, Prashant sir, and this is his department. And this you can see these arts and crafts created by senior students. There there's 11th class students. Ma'am is here, Rima ma'am. So art, okay, art department. This is about paper painting, file paper painting. Nirja ma'am and Sangeeta ma'am is here. Both belong to this Hindi department, and they have also given very much contribution. And this one is also about doodle art, and this is wool painting. You can see wool painting. Here this is art. And Deep sir, yes. Very senior teacher in our school, and he's from science department. You can see, and these are the students of this school. And here you can see Palak ma'am from science department. And this is also, you can see the art of our students which they have made it, and this is marvelous. You can see the bangles which has been made by these students, and wow, this is a very good work. Doll art, they have made doll, and this is called dream catcher, and this especially this one this art and craft belongs to us. Okay, and this is for class 6 A and B, and this is Akansha Gupta and Anjali and this is Srishti. They are from class 6, and they have shown their creativity in creating all this doll art, bottle doll art. And and he's Saurav Kumar from class 6. See, this is Supli art, and actually this Supli art is where you can see the Madhubani painting, Madhubani art. Here it is welcome. This is our student. There is ma'am, Khushbu ma'am, and this is welcome. Yes, welcome. And these are the sticks by using which ice cream sticks. Students have made very creative things. Welcome. This is Srijan from class 5th. She along with her friends have made it. So you can see the genius minds which are produced by our Goenka school. Here, this is Anshuman, and this is Tikuli. What is this? Lipan art. Okay. Yes, this is Akash. Akash from class 8, and they have made this Lipan art. Class 8th students. Ashika from class 8th A. Yeah, they have made it very creative minds they have used in making this, and these are the plates, string. The children of this Goenka are growing. Okay, so that's why they have shown their genius minds in this kind of arts with the help of these teachers like Manish sir. He is from maths department, very good talented teacher he is in maths. And this is what texture art. Yes, and this is, and you can see the boxes, and these are the tribal arts which have been shown on these plates. And this is, so all these are about our art and craft exhibition of this GD Goenka Public School. This is the entry point where you can see our GD Goenka Public School. Here you can see greenery scenes. Here students are coming slowly. This is our GD Goenka Public School. Ram Bhavan Ram Yamuna Prasad Educational Trust, GD Goenka Public School.